Guys, it's raining now and I don't know when it's going to stop. Absolutely a wonderful car. The owner was placing it here because it started heavily to rain. I was actually thinking it's easier to film now, but this is already the second attempt when I'm filming it from this position here. Really a beauty car, beautiful car, really a beauty. Absolutely amazing, guys. Well guys, the Corvette is unfortunately leaving, but here we are having a wonderful G-Wagon. It's a 300 GD. The 3-door short wheelbase. Yet I've only seen once a long wheelbase of the G-Wagon, the 3-door, 3-door long base. The same as in last year, I'm seeing this Trabant P601 Universal. Universal is the estate. It's from the Stammtisch in Grioberg. Isn't it from this girl Larissa, I'm thinking? She was parking beside me in Sindelfingen, if I'm not mistaken. And here, guys, this car was just arriving now. It's a Baby Benz W202. It's a pre-facelift, as you can tell by these black rubber thingies. So this one doesn't have the so-called Sacco panels. I hope that that you can hear me without the music in the background. It's a 190D 2.5. It's already rare to see a 190D, although they are the ones that are running, well, very reliable and very long. And here, guys, this is the Trabant 601 Universal from Larissa. Greetings here. Hello, Larissa. A lot of cars already left, but this one's still here, of course. Otherwise I couldn't film it, right? This is a wonderful G-Series Porsche 911. A Targa. Absolutely loving the Targas. Totally in love about these, what is it called? These rear windows. And here's another Porsche 911, but this may be something else because I'm remembering this bumper. I think it was something different, but which was looking similar to it. But I can be wrong, of course. A little data sheet, I will try to read it. But also lovely to see this cute little Fiat 500 of the fire department. Again, it's a 911 G model. It's a 2 liter. Also very funny with this lever. Not sure if it's only in the design of the fire department or if it really has been a fire department car. Also amazing. Take a look at into this engine bay, guys. Beautiful. And this here is a Ford, but I don't know which version. But I'm trying to find it out. It's at least from 1931, according to the license plate, which can be anything, because that's what you simply you can simply buy. Okay, very interesting about the throwing thingy here. You guys, Citroën HY6. This is a Cadillac. Not sure what kind of Cadillac. I will find it out. At least it's a long one and a coupe. Oh wow. So guys, this is a Coupe de Ville. Very interesting, and it's really long. That's what she said. And here guys, this is a Mercedes-Benz 170, I would say, but I don't know which version of the 170. And probably you cannot hear me because I will have to mute the clip because of the music playing in the background. Oh, absolutely beautiful car. Oh, it doesn't stand anything. Fiat 124 Spider 2000 fuel injection. Interesting guys. And here is the Porsche 914. Haven't seen them this often on the car meetings. Ah, so Daniel.
Hello, Olaf.
So my colleague Daniel is also here. There's a Porsche leaving, and this guys is not a Porsche, this is a Fiat 500. But this guys, oh, the beautiful Porsche 914, also called the VW Porsche because it was built in cooperation. VW also had some of them, but with the weaker engine, with the 4-cylinder, if I'm not mistaken. And Porsche had the 6 cylinders and the 8 cylinders. And there in the background you can see a Citroën H2. So guys, and here is a wonderful W123. What I'm loving is the seat cover. The seat cover is well, it's lamb fur. No, it's not. No, it is. It is. I think it would also look great in my car, but yeah, I'm not sure if I should do that because, well, it's actually something you are doing for the winter time, not in the summertime. But well, this guy is also having it here in summer, so of course. So 240 diesel guys, they are running forever. So not really easier to film because yeah, less people but also less cars, as you can see here in this wonderful park area. So now in the rain, the MG, maybe this one is a dry one. At least it has its textile rooftop closed. Also a rare sight, because usually you are seeing them with an open rooftop because it's really a summer car. Absolutely loving these MGB Roadsters. So guys, and here is a Porsche 911, the G series, so not the 930, because this is definitely not the turbo. It's just the ordinary one of the poor people, of the rich people. Just kidding, guys. Absolutely loving the pattern of the seats. I've seen this once before, maybe it was the same car. So it's 911 SC, and here I have to be a little bit careful because here's the big pond of this park. Beautiful car, guys. And just see here, it's the park. Beautiful, guys. And with the pond there. So my friends, and here's a wonderful 230 SL Roadster. It's called the Pagode, and it's the W113, I'm thinking. Very beautiful car. Beautiful car. And right beside we're having also another beautiful SL Roadster. This guy is an R107. So this is the successor of the Pagode, which is the left one, of course. And here the right one is the SL Roadster, the R107. But guys, that's it for today, almost, because I'm going to leave soon with Siggy. I almost forgot his name. So guys, well, the car is very dirty now because it was raining very hard and it's standing under a tree. I was hoping it's staying dry there, but as you can see, and yeah, the car is not polished. That's something that I'm not doing because well, it's in unicolor, and I've already heard from someone who is painting cars that I shouldn't do it because it's most likely that the car is getting white instead of polished. So the Rolls-Royce is also leaving, and so will I, of course, as well. I had an amazing day. I was enjoying that, and yeah, I also have to. I'm thinking it's what was coming into it again. Yeah, I was trying to fix something with some silicone rubber, but it didn't work. Yeah, well, I cannot change it, so I have to try it with some paper towels. So guys, and there's lots of stuff inside, but you can see it's having actually an amazing boot. It's just going deep there, so yeah. And here, take a look at this. It's an old profile of that was also used by Michelin. Maybe you cannot see it. Maybe from here it's a little bit easier. But this is a renewed tire. Not thinking that this is running anymore. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. Seeing you next time. Bye bye.